What's up, guys? It's another 5-Minute Friday, and today we're focusing on that booty burn with these glute activation exercises. Glute activation is a really great way to fire up those glutes and warm up before diving into a more intense lower body workout. Today we're doing 20 seconds of work and 10 seconds of rest, but if you want even more intensity, eliminate that 10 seconds of rest and do each move for 30 seconds straight through. Okay, you don't need any equipment for this one, so let's do it. guys, you are done. That is it. You should be all warmed up by now. Maybe that's all you needed today, was just a little bit of a burn, or maybe you're ready to jump into a lower body workout. If you are, head on over to my leg and booty playlist. I've got a ton of different options for you guys that you can do from home. Nice work, guys. See ya at the next workout.